How's it going?
The golf course is no trespassing unless you're paid your seat.
Okay.
Now on the river you're fine, but I can't have you on the golf course.
What's up, guys? We are back at the golf course now. Right behind me is the river we fished in the last video. We got the golf course over here. So I was looking on Google Maps and it looks like there's a couple more deep holes on the river and some little bends. So we'll try to get that access through the golf course. And maybe we'll be naughty and try to sneak onto those ponds because I hear there's big bass in there. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching. All right, so stay out of the way of golf. We're gonna figure out how to stay out of the way of golf. All right, here's the river. How's it going?
The golf course is no trespassing unless you're paid receipt.
Okay.
Now on the river you're fine, but I can't have you on the golf course.
Okay, yeah, I was just trying to get to the river. I was told if I stay off the car path and out off the,
that's why there's posted no trespassing signs up there. So if you can get on the river, you're fine.
Yeah.
But you can't get in off the golf course.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Do you need a ride back?
Sure. Actually, that sounds nice. Appreciate it.
Sure. Yeah, as long as you're on the river, a kayak or canoe, whatever, you're fine. Just can't be.
I take it the ponds aren't fishable?
No, that's part of the city property. Is this you parked up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's a trespassing sign there, and then there's more up here. There's one up here with that.
Can I fish this part of the river?
Yep, you can enter here. You're fine.
Okay. Just not past the parking lot?
Just anything off the golf course.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good here. And I tell you where, if it was me, I'd be right up here in that bend, because when the blue herons are here, that's where they sit, right up here in that bend.
Yeah.
Waiting for fish. And it must be pretty good because that's where they always go.
Okay.
So.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too.
So, we tried. Oh my God. That sucked. Oh, I was on a tree branch. I didn't even know that. Jesus, man. Oh my God, how did that happen? It's like the wind. All right. I don't know how that happened. I'm gonna try to get it off though. If I break off, well, I guess we'll just go to Walmart. Walmart's like 10 minutes away. They're selling fishing gear down here because we're outside of the county. Let's tighten up the drag on this. Oh, we snapped off. Let's see if it threw my bait. No, my bait's still there. Cool. All right. So we got kicked out. The guy gave me a ride on this golf cart though, so that was cool. And I just broke off. All right, so that hasn't worked so far. We got kicked off the golf course. I was told I could still fish here, but broke off a crankbait, and it's just the water's way too fast. Everything's just getting blown into trees. Not blown, but you know what I mean. You guys know what I mean. So we're gonna go get some food. We're gonna go to Walmart, where they actually sell fishing gear, because we are outside of Greene County in Springfield. And I think we're in Nixa or Ozark right now, so we're gonna hit up the local Walmart and see if we can't get some more baits, and then get some food, and then we'll go to another spot. sideways. Right, I wish I had white trailers. I only have paddle tails, which I don't like to use with chatterbaits. Okay, so we retied this. I got a new one from Walmart. I brought this box right here, just so I don't have to walk all the way back to the car. Oh, that was not good. Well, this is out of commission. That's perfect. First cast. Oh my God. That wasn't fun. Have to deal with that later. Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh, this one's a fighter. Come on, don't wrap around that tree. Yeah. There's another little fat boy. Ooh, looks like part of his tail's gone. Right in the corner of the mouth. Ooh, come on. It's a nice size. Looks like a gar might have gotten him. Looks like he's been caught before too. Yeah, he's got some bite marks on him. Alright, so we got one. I think that was like second cast with this thing. Alright. Alright, and there he goes. Hell yeah! Alright, let's see if we can catch another one. That was like right by the bank here. I'm sitting. Oh my God. Alright, that was a nice little fish. Thought I got caught on a log, but it started fighting back. Alright, so we got the skunk out of the way for today. I do not have too much time left, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Thought I had something there too. I gotta plug my battery back in. There we go. Let's see if we can't get a little closer. Alright, this is what I was afraid of. Oh, please, Mr. Spider, I do not want you on my shit. Stuck. Are we stuck on that branch way out there? Man, we might just break this off too. Yep, there it is. There goes our white chatterbait. Oh man. Oh. Shoot. Man. Well, at least we got a fish today. Jesus Christ, dude. Really? Bark? Freaking bark? Come on, guys. Come on. Okay, so that was definitely a dumb move with that chatterbait. I like knew that I was gonna get stuck, but I still was like, there's probably fish right there. I just didn't see there's a big ass branch underneath the water until I went over there to break it off. So that was weird. Okay guys, so we are back at the house. Funny thing is my buddy actually, I was gonna meet up with him, but then he had to leave, and he told me that he caught one on a white chatterbait. So I threw a white chatterbait. I ended up catching the same fish probably like an hour after he caught that one. So that was pretty funny. Anyways, we got new fishing videos coming. We got some more stuff. I'm gonna do a painting. Actually, I'm about to start that in a little bit. So look out for that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much for everything, all the support, and we'll see you guys next time. Stay safe out there.